Okay, this is to show you that my existing headlights work. Okay, here's the setup with the new stuff I got. As you can see, the wires here are where they're supposed to be, blue to blue, ground to ground. And here's one of the ballasts connected correctly. This is a good ground, I've already tested it. And you got the connectors here for that go to the demon eye and the lights inside, and the other ballast. Now, I'm gonna turn the key, and as you can see, I'm gonna turn the key. Nothing comes on. If I start the bike, the demon eye comes on. You can see it. If I hit a turn signal, you see the demon eye is blinking. It's blinking with the turn signal. Sorry for yelling, the bike was running. Anyway, I'll see how am I going to get this to you, and then we'll take it from there. Thanks. I forgot to show you how part of the halo is trying to illuminate. If you can look at the very bottom there, you can see some blue. That's the halo trying to illuminate, but it doesn't. There's none on this side.